Hello and welcome to a short BiteWISe video about finding and using Creative Commons licensed images. A Creative Commons or CC license is one of several public copyright licenses that enable the free distribution of an otherwise copyrighted work. A CC license is used when an author wants to give people the right to share, use and build upon a work that they have created. More and more images are being released using these licenses, giving both the creator and the user of the image certain defined rights. The Creative Commons licenses are made up of components that can be mixed and matched as needed. Attribution is the basis of all Creative Commons licenses. All CC licensed materials carry the requirement to attribute the work to its original creator. If share alike is part of the license, you agree that any derivative work you make using this material is also licensed in the same way. No derivatives means that you are free to use and distribute the work, but only in the exact form that the image was originally made available. As the user of the image, you do not have the right to make any changes to it. And finally, non-commercial means that you can copy, distribute and remix the work, but only for non-commercial purposes. Using images licensed in this way can be complicated, as it's not always easy to tell what constitutes commercial use and what doesn't. There are a number of places that publish Creative Commons licensed images, and we've put links in the description of this video to some of the bigger ones. But what do you do if you want to use one of them? As we've heard, the basis of the Creative Commons licenses is the attribution of the creator. And currently, in an estimated 90% of reuse cases, this is omitted or done incorrectly. We'll look now at finding a Creative Commons licensed image and using the Xpert Attribution tool to correctly add the attribution and license information to the image. Using Flickr, which holds a large number of Creative Commons licensed images, I'm first going to run a search on penguins in honour of the library's mascot Kirby. Once you have your results, you will need to limit them by the Creative Commons license you're happy to use. Some of these images have had all rights to them reserved by their creator, so if we wish to use those images, we would have to contact the creator and request their permission specifically. This can be a lengthy and complex process, and in a number of cases, the creator can request payment for their permission. As I want the largest range of options available to me in the later use of the image, I will select Commercial Use and Modifications Allowed from this drop-down. Your search results should update automatically. Once you've found an image you like, click on it to see more information about the image. This is important for the next stage of the process. From this page, you can check all of the details of the image, including the Creative Commons license applied, and download an appropriate sized version of the image for later use. Once you have your image, swap to the Xpert Attribution tool to add the attribution to your image. As you can see, we have used the Flickr page to collect all of the information on the image, including the name of the creator, the license of the image, the date of the photograph from Flickr, as well as the title of the image and a link back to Flickr where we originally found the image in the first place. To add the attribution to the image, simply use the upload link to upload the image to the Xpert tool, as you can see here, and select Download. Xpert will then ask which size of image you want to download and will alter the file name to indicate that this is an attributed version of the image. The image, once saved, will look something like this, and can be used as needed, as it clearly displays the attribution and license information under the image.